In this video, I will be adding enemy to the game. First, I will create the enemy dog body, then I will animate the enemy, and finally implement enemy AI functionality. Here, I am creating a dog body using simple capsule and cube. And now, I will add material to enemy dog body. After creating the dog model, I animate the enemy dog. Select dog enemy, go to animation and click on create. Select the folder you want to save on. Write the name of the animation. I have created a simple idle animation. In dog enemy, I have attached the nav mesh agent component and enemy controller script. Now I need to create waypoints through which the enemy can navigate from one point to another. Inside the enemy controller script, I have created a transform variable for waypoints, an int variable for current waypoint, and nav mesh agent variable name agent. In start function, I get nav mesh agent component. In the update function, if agent remaining distance is less than or equal to 0.2, then increment the current waypoint. And if current waypoint is greater than or equal to waypoint dot child count, then the current waypoint equal to 0. At last, agent dot set destination. Go to Window, AI, then select Navigation. Select Ground, go to Navigation tab and bake the ground. Assign waypoints to enemy controller. Transform waypoints. Now you can see that the enemy follow the waypoint path. Patrol functionality is working fine. In the next video, we will implement chase and attack functionality. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.